Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can log in CapCut using TikTok account. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your CapCut app and then you will comes in this page and you have to simply wait until there's gonna be process and skip this ad and go to edit section, or like you have to simply click on me at the bottom and then click on view profile, or like click on the gear icon on the top right corner. But in my case I have logged in, so I will show you how you can do it. So tap on whenever you comes in me, you will see this page. You have to simply click on tap to sign in, and then you will see over here bunch of options. Over here you will see TikTok, or like Google, or like email, or like Facebook, or Apple also. But for the course of the video, we have to log in CapCut by the TikTok account. You have to simply click on the first option, login to TikTok. Simply click on that and then you will pop up in your TikTok, and then you have to simply sign in your TikTok account to TikTok, and then this will be sign in over here. So as you can see, I have logged in with my account. So as you can see, my account is logged in. So that's it. That's how you can log in CapCut by using TikTok account. That's super easy to do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.